Here's how to see your recently watched videos on TikTok. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'll show you exactly how to find all of the videos that you have watched in your history. So first, just tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right. Tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Scroll down from here and tap on Activity Center. Next, at the top, tap on Watch History, and you'll be able to see all of the videos you have watched. To rewatch them, just tap on it, or alternatively, tap on Select at the top right, and select one or all of them, and you can hit the delete button and delete to delete out your entire watch history if you don't want that to be on TikTok. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.